Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kathy Lukusa. Tonight we are making a Laos papaya salad to go with my dinner. I always add my own little spin to it and you'll love it. Let's get started. The ingredients used in this recipe are green papaya, chilies, cherry tomatoes, lime juice, green beans, carrots, roasted cashews, palm sugar, basil, fish sauce, dry shrimps, and Zep sauce. A quick shout out to an amazing lady, Lem Singrasabout, for sponsoring most of the ingredients used in this healthy and delicious salad. I just love green papaya salads. Green papayas have way much more health benefits than ripe papayas. Green papayas are rich in fiber and enzymes like papains, and it offers essential benefits such as improved digestions, anti-inflammatory properties, antioxidant protection. It helps regulate your blood sugar. It also eases menstrual cycle pains, ladies. It also improves your skin health and quality. It aids in weight loss. Green papaya salad is a good source of antioxidants, including vitamin A, C, E. These help protect the body against damage from free radicals. Listen, this papaya salad was so delicious. It was bursting with flavors. It was so good. If you tried my recipe, let me know how yours turned out. Do like and subscribe to support the channel. Until next time, bye bye now.